Hey everyone, want to record your Mac screen for free? No watermarks, no time limit, and no extra apps downloading. In this video, I will show you the built-in Mac screen recorder. Forgot expensive software, your Mac already has amazing screen recorder. Let's get started. Press the Command Shift and F5 key from the keyboard. Once you click it, a selected area will be shown on your screen, and this selected area is customizable. You can move from everywhere, from this area to this area easily. You can move it, and you can also resize this area. If you want to record a specific area, so you can resize this. Okay, you can also use this option for the screenshot as well. So if you find this option quickly, so I'm gonna cross this and click on this search icon and search here for a screen. So I'm gonna search here for a screen and click on screenshot. So you will see the same option, and these are the settings. You can capture the entire screenshot and selected window, and also the specific selected portion of your screen. And these two options for the screen recording. So this is for the entire screen recording, and this one is for the selected portion. Okay, and here you will see record. Once I click on the record, you will see the specific area will be recorded. So I'm gonna stop it, and you will see the screen recording. I'm gonna click on it and then play. So here you will see there is no voice inside this screen recording. So how we will enable that? I'm gonna cross it, and again I'm gonna search here for the screenshot, right? And here you will see the option. So now I'm gonna click on these options, and if you want to save this video to the desktop, so click on desktop, document. You can save this video in the document, mail, message, quick player, and other location. And also you can set the timer from here, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and also microphone option. So the microphone option is disable. Okay, so here you will see the microphone is none. So I'm gonna check it. So now we can easily record our voice. So I'm gonna click on this record. This option is for the voice recording. So I'm gonna stop it and click on this video, and let's play. This option is for the voice recording. Now here you will see the voice is also to be recorded. Okay, so you can record your screen without using any other software. This video is helpful. Please subscribe my channel, comment, like, and share. Thank you.